With Olay taking it all off, that's my husband's job.
Oh, look who's back.
2 times more dirt in makeup. Her skin's
Gonna hit the fan, it's gonna hit the fan, it's gonna hit the fan.
Oh! Boom! Oh no, it's going back.
It's going back.
Nope.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Looks like how the hell is Jack still alive? I killed him.
And chosen by the readers of Lola, who voted the co-op's line at Best Breakthrough of 2010.
I'm hiding now.
I'm gonna come down slowly. It's going down backwards. The piggy hit the fan.
Look at Lola. Look at Lola.
Done that before. No, I know. It just takes a ride. It doesn't like, you know. I know that. Let it pass. Oh. I'll do more stuff in the commercial.
One of our most controversial finalists ever calls herself the Middle Eastern Mama. Let's take a look at your approach.
I know, I'll do that. No, I just did.
Please.
Penny is really aggressive.
Can I get some Paranol? Or are you going to use the whole thing?
Penny is a very confident, almost cocky girl.
Bad friend.
You know, she can be sinister.
You're not here to make friends.
That lady wants to win.
It's a Hurricane Penny, and I think you're going to probably cause some damage along the way.
The only strategy I have is, how do I get rid of these people?
Lola, where's the piggy? Where's the piggy?
And I think she had some reasons.
Where's the piggy?
Right, absolutely.
Where's Happy Go Lucky?
I immediately have a strategy of where to put people because I've been looking at who's weak where and who can do what.
Hey, Penny, is your dish going to beat the other three?
I think so, yes. Penny's conniving ways are causing a lot of tension, a lot of stress, and I'm